The rate at which artificial intelligence is taking over every single aspect of life is getting more intense and even scary every single day. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new graphic design AI tool, which is none other than the new Microsoft Designer tool. The Microsoft Designer app is a graphic design tool that lets you create custom invitations and different varieties of graphic designs. With the use of this AI tool, you no longer need the work of a graphic designer unless you're someone who's actually lazy or you don't just want to do it. But with the use of this new AI tool, you can actually just tell it what exactly you want your design to look like, and then in few seconds, a few minutes, it creates this design for you. But can we say this is actually the end of a graphic designer? The answer is no, because you cannot compare an AI tool with a graphic designer. You know, when you look at a graphic designer, it's human. Humans actually have the ability to understand what exactly you want better as compared to an AI tool. So basically, yeah, this AI tool is going to bring a lot of changes to the graphic designing industry, but still you cannot compare it to a professional graphic designer. All you need to do is to go to designer.microsoft.com, and currently it is not out officially yet. All you can do right now is to add your email to the waitlist, and then you can be given access to carry out any activity you want to do just for a test. So basically, this is how it looks like, and you can see from here it's never been easier to approach a blank canvas. All you need to do is to input what exactly you want the design to look like, and then it creates varieties of styles for you to pick from. As you can see, then watch your content transform and choose your favorite design. Create one-of-a-kind images for your designs, you know, designs that are unique, designs that are new. That's basically what I mean by this. And then as you can see from here, just add or remove your content. So basically you want to generate varieties of styles from what you actually asked it for. You can basically select one, and then you can still edit on that particular one. And then we can see from here, and there's more. Yes, more. Designer makes your content stand out with over 100 million images and videos for higher quality visuals, motion graphics, and then you can actually share immediately from here. So all you want to do right now, like I said earlier on, is to join the wait list for early access to Microsoft Designer. You basically just want to input your mail over here. I have already done mine. So basically you just want to input your mail and then click on join the wait list, and then you'll be sent an email to your mail. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. As you can see, the new Microsoft Designer AI tool is basically going to bring a lot of changes to the graphic designing industry. And yeah, if you surely learned a lot from today's video and you still haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I'm sure you don't want to miss out on my upcoming video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.